Hello and welcome back to my channel Study and Prepare with me. And today we will continue the series of Indian geography, and today we will learn about the Great Peninsular Plateau. It is composed of old crystalline igneous and metamorphic rocks. It covers a total area of 16,000 km per square. The Narmada, which flows through a rift valley, divides the region into two parts: the central highland in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The Anamudi or the Anaimudi is the highest peak of Peninsula. The western edge of the plateau rises steeply from the Arabian Sea to form the Western Ghats, includes Sahyadri. The eastern edge of the plateau is known as the Eastern Ghats. The northern western region of the Deccan Plateau is covered by nearly horizontal sheets of lava. This region is called Deccan Trap region. The Godavari, the Mahanadi, the Krishna and the Kaveri are the major rivers that have bold deltas along the coast. The Narmada and the Tapti rivers are base flowing. These rivers do not have deltas. Plateaus, upland of peninsular India. Central Highland. Central Highland lie to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of Malwa Plateau. The Aravallis Range is bounded by Central Highland on the northwest and Vindhya Range on the south. Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is a triangular land lying to the south of the river Narmada. It comprises Maharashtra Plateau, Karnataka Plateau, and the Telangana and Rayalaseema Plateau. Hill ranges of Peninsula. Aravalli Range. Aravalli are one of the world's oldest fold mountains, running in the northeast to the southeast direction from Delhi to Palampur in Gujarat. It is an example of relict mountain. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of Aravalli. Vindhyan Range. This range acts as a water divide between Ganga system and the river system of South India. Satpura Range. It is a series of 7 mountains running in the east-west direction to the south of Vindhyas and in between Narmada and Tapti. It comprises Rajpipla Hills, Mahendio Hills, and Michael Range. Satpuras are fold mountains, and the Dhupgad is its highest peak. Eastern Ghats. It comprises the discontinuous and low hills that are highly eroded by the rivers such as the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri, etc. Western Ghats. The Western Ghats are locally known by different names such as Sahyadri in Maharashtra, Nilagiri Hills in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and Annaimali Hills, Cardamom Hills in Kerala. It runs from the south of valley of river Tapti to Kanyakumari. There are three important passes in the Sahyadri: Thal Ghat, Pal Ghat, Bhor Ghat. The eastern and the western Ghats meet each other at the Nilagiri Hills. Coastal plains. Narrow strips of flat land on the eastern and western coasts are known as the East Coastal Plain and the West Coastal Plain, respectively. The West Coastal Plain. The West Coastal Plain, it is about 1500 km long from Surat to Cape Comorin. This plain, which lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, spreads from Gujarat in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Its northern part from Gujarat to Goa is called Konkan, while southern part from Goa to Kanyakumari is known as Malabar. Important ports developed on its coast from north to south are Kandla, Mumbai, New Jawahar Port, Mumbai, Mangalore, and Cochin. This plain is subdivided into Kutch Plains and islands surrounded by seas and lagoons. Kathiawar Plains. It extends from Rann of Kutch to Daman in the south, Gujarat Plains east to Kutch, and Kathiawar formed by the river Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, and Sabarmati. Konkan Coast. It extends from Daman to Goa for a distance of about 500 km. Karnataka or Konora Coast is it extends from Goa to Mangalore in narrow belt. Malabar coast or Kerala coast, it extends between Mangalore and Kanyakumari. The backwaters locally kails are the shallow lagoons. The East Coastal Plains. This border coastal plain spreads along the Bay of Bengal from Odisha in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Its northern part is known as Northern Sekar Plains and the southern part is called Coromandel Coast. Chilika and Pulicat lakes are fine examples of lagoons on our east coast. The Great Indian Desert. It lies to the west of the Aravalli Range. This desert does not get much rain as the Aravalli Range run parallel to the southwestern monsoon winds. It is in the rain shadow area of the Bay of Bengal current. The island groups Andaman and Nicobar group 10-degree channel separates Andaman Nicobar from Nicobar. Andaman group from Nicobar. Dukan Passage lies between South Andaman and Little Andaman group. Nicobar is the largest and southernmost island of this group. Nicobar is separatist of the Lakshadweep by 9-degree channel. 8-degree channel separates Lakshadweep group from Maldives. Drainage system of India. 9% of land water drains into the Bay of Bengal. The rest drains into the Arabian Sea. Those Himalayan rivers the Himalaya are known as ancient rivers, such as Indus, Brahmaputra, and Satluj. In India, the rivers are into two main groups: Himalayan rivers and other rivers. Himalayan rivers is divided into river systems. The Ganga system, the Brahmaputra system, the Indus system. The Ganga system. Ganga system is the second major drainage system in India. It rises in the Gangotri glacier near Mukh in the Uttarakhand. Here it is known as the Bhagirathi at Devrayag. The Bhagirathi meets the Alaknanda. Hereafter it is known as the Ganga. The Alaknanda has its source in the Satvanath glacier above Badrinath. So, the Gangotri glacier near Gomukh in the Uttarakhand, here it is known as the Bhagirathi. At Devrayag, the Bhagirathi meets the Alaknanda. Hereafter it is known as the Ganga. Ganga rivers and their sources and lakes. The Brahmaputra system. It is known as Tsangpo in Tibet, the Hang of Siang in Arunachal Pradesh, Brahmaputra in Assam, and Jamuna in Bangladesh. Majuli is the largest riverine island in the world. The Indus system. The Indus, also known as Sindhu, is the westernmost Himalayan river in India. It originates from a glacier near Bokarchu in the Tibetan region near Manaskovar. In Tibet, it is known as Singi Khamban or Lion's Mouth. In Jammu and Kashmir, its Himalayan tributaries are Jaskar, Drax, Gigit, etc. The most important tributaries which join in those various places are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees, and Sutlej. According to the Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan in 1960, India can utilize only 20% of the total discharge of Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab. The left bank tributaries of Ganga are Ramganga, Gomati, Kali or Sarda, Gandak, Kosi, Mahanadi. The right bank tributaries of the Ganga are Yamuna and so on. Yamuna joins the Ganga at Allahabad. Kosi is called as Soro of Bihar, while Damodar is called as Soro of Bengal. Highly distributary of the Ganga flowing through Kolkata. The combined stream of Ganga Brahmaputra forms the biggest delta in the world. The Sundarbans Brahmaputra is the volume-wise largest river of India, whereas lake-wise Ganga is the longest in India. Peninsular river, east flowing rivers or delta forming rivers. East flowing rivers do not form estuaries. East flowing rivers fall in Bay of Bengal. Sources, length, tributaries. Mahanadi's source, foothill of Danaya, length 857, and tributaries are Sina, Hasdeo, Dieb, Mandel, Godavari, Trimbak, Sahyadri, 96 for 1,460 kilometer length. Tributaries Penganga, Ardha, Indravati, Sri Manjira. Krishna sources Mahabaleshwar in 1400 meter length, Bhima, Tungabhadra, Malpa, and Koyan. Kaveri, Brahmagiri range in Western Ghats, 800 kilometer. Heyangi, Hemavati, Isma, Arkavati. Western flowing rivers or estuaries forming western flowing rivers do not form delta. Western flowing rivers fall in the Arabian Sea. Western flowing rivers are Sabarmati, Mahi, Narmada, Tapi, Luni. Sources of Sabarmati, Aravalli Range, and length of the Sabarmati is 371. Tributaries are Hathmati, Siri, Wakal. The sources of this western flowing rivers, Vindhya Range, 583, Narmada, Amarkantak sources, and length are 1312, and tributaries are Hiran, Tawa, Sakar, and Narmada, Tapti. Sources of this rivers, Multai, Satpura, and length is 724 kilometer. The tributaries are Purna, Betul, Arunvati, Ganjal. The western flowing rivers are Luni, Aravalli sources, and the length is 495 kilometer. Important river valley projects in India. Bhakanagal projects, Monti project, Chambal Valley project, Damodar Valley project, Hirakud project, Rihat project, Kosi project, Maurkasi project, Kakapara project, Nijam Sagar project, Nagarjuna Sagar project, like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe my channel Study Pair with me. And next video, we will learn about climate of India. Uh, Till then, bye bye.